precision.
Oh, that's wonky as hell, isn't it?
It is, yeah. How do you know? How do you determine wonkiness?
Because I can see it. It's bad.
Yeah. Where do you think I look to determine whether it's wonky or not?
In front of us.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's bad. See, I told you I can't park for shit.
So it's all right. All you need to do now is correct it. So you would drive forward, straighten up. Good. And then what? All you need to do is what?
Reverse it.
Look at
Okay,
this.
Straight.
Lush.
I think I'm in. That was terrible, Debs.
It wasn't terrible.
It was. Just tell it how it is, Debs.
It
Just
wasn't
Becky, it
terrible.
was terrible.
It
You should
wasn't.
be better. Expecting you to be test ready and you can't even park.
That is test ready. You just, the thing you wouldn't have failed on was not looking out your back window, not how wonky it was. That's an easy fix. You can't fix hitting someone,
No.
so you've got to look for them. That's
Yeah,
all
yeah,
you're doing when you look out the back. You're not doing it to make sure you get into the bay. You're not doing it for anything that's going on outside. You're just making sure that you're not about to hit somebody. So quick glances is all you need. You're not expected to look the entire time out the back window. That's unrealistic. No one can do a park like that. It's doing it blindfolded. But we do need some more frequent back window checks, if at all possible.
Yes.
Keep yourself safe. These car parks are dangerous places. I kid you not. I'm sure you know.
They are.
They don't look, they don't signal, they don't care. They'll just
People are
walk out.
risky.
They'll walk out, they'll drive out, they'll do anything. So keep an eye out.